Methods is a student's first step into the field to get some practical exercise for gathering field data, hand samples, transects, things like that, or even just learning some field experiences, how to rough it through if you're out there in the wilderness for a few weeks.
We do a lot of outside things. We go to the fossil park, like we're always here looking for fossils and stuff. We went to the beach, we looked at dredging, we looked at the tides. We've been to different places just to understand the outside world, you know, so it's really important that we're doing this class.
Right now we're doing field paleo, which will give us tools in order to better our understanding of how to work out in the field. We use these notebooks because it can become a legal document, so you're going to need to know everything that you're doing out in the field.
This is the best opportunity that any geology major could have, having this right in their backyard. Like having all these professors that work here and you can ask questions about the things that you're finding. Like I found fossils today, I'm gonna ask Dr. Bowles, like when he comes up, to like explain what they are, what time period they're from. Like it's just really interesting to have this. It's a really great opportunity.
I would recommend taking this course because of how fun it is, and it's just getting outside, breathing fresh air. We're like learning a bunch of cool things. It's basically an adventure.
Every day I go in class and I'm like, wow, you just changed my perspective of something. Every single day. I've never been in a class where I haven't learned anything new. I think that this class and all of our teachers are giving us really great opportunities, and I just can't wait to see more of it.
Geology is important for some of the deepest parts of time, especially if you want to start asking some of the more profound questions about the Earth itself, where we're headed with our natural resources and conserving them, using them wisely, shepherding them, our connection to the planet. One of my favorite quotes from geology is, we're kind of minerals examining other minerals.